Hi everyone. So today we are on vacations and we are in Chandigarh. So we decided to come to the famous bird sanctuary. And this is our first spot, that is Navgraha Vatika. So what we have, basically each plant represents a specific planet. Like this is Jupiter. People plant represents Jupiter and its botanical name is Fuchsias religiosa and it's from mulberry family. This represents Jupiter and its Vastu direction is north. Meaning if we keep it in north, it will be good. Next is Buddha, that is Mercury. This is represented by Apamarga or Ladjida, botanical name. I don't know the pronunciation, but I can try. It's something like Acheranthus aspera, and its family is Amaranth family. Next is this Gular tree and it represents Shukra, that is Venus, and its name is Fuchsias racemosa and its family is mulberry family. Next is this Palash and it represents the moon. It's best in southwest direction. Botanical name is Butia monosperma and its family is Fabaceae. It's from pea family and its habit is tree.
And basically, this complete area is dedicated to Navgraha. You have told all these things? Okay.
Yes. Next is this plant which we call as khair or khar, and it represents the planet Mars and its botanical name is
Acacia catachu. Or
Catachu.
something
Maybe we don't know the pronunciation, but we'll surely check out. And its family, it's from pea family and its habit is a tree.
And it's show the plant, UV. Try to show the plants completely.
Oh, these are the plants?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't show that.
Okay,
I will.
Then no.
Okay.
Cover it.
Okay. And this represents Mangal and its best direction is south according to Vastu, and this is the plant.
Capture the plant. Yeah.
This is the plant.
Completely.
And here is a leaf sample.
Shall I hold it?
No need. Anyways, I have showed it. Here's something like this.
And
I will show you. I will show you the rest of the plants which I skipped.
Come outside. Try to capture each and every plant.
Yeah.
Your memory, okay?
Okay, yeah, sure. Now
You
this.
are going ahead. Just join me.
No.
In few minutes.
No. I'm coming. Wait. Now this is doob grass, which botanical name is Synodon.
I guess no
Dactylon.
need to cover the botanical name.
And family is grass family, and this represents Rahu. And its best is southwest in.
Show the.
And this is the doob grass.
In local rituals, we generally use these doob and dab. So this is doob, that is for Rahu. In some
Rituals, yeah. Some puja type, basically.
yeah.
After that, we
And
have
this is Shani.
this is Shani, Saturn,
Sometimes
and
we call
this
it
is Shami.
And this represents this.
And literally Shami and Shani, only N and M difference. So this represents Saturn. Its name is Shami. Botanical name you can read, and family is from P family. Its habit is tree, and it's best in west direction according to Vastu. And here is the tree. Here is the tree, and here is a
Show the
leaf.
plant from the distance, you will.
And here is a leaf sample.
From the distance.
Wait.
Not
अरे
like this, beta.
अरे
नहीं आएगा
yeah.
ना बेटा.
एक second. Here is a leaf sample, and here's the plant from a bit distance.
हाँ.
This.
From the distance you can capture it.
This.
Okay. चलो.
Now let me cover the rest plants I skipped. So this is the dub. Botanical name is
Dab.
Imperata
We call it dab.
cylindrica, and its family is from grass family. Let me show you. It represents Ketu
When
and
we
it's
do
best in.
Shraddh or something, na, we use this doob and dab. So this is the dab. Show
And
the plant. Show the plant.
and this represents the Ketu. The Doob represented the Rahu.
Have you captured the Ravi? Ravi is there.
Yeah, Ravi, I will capture in end. So let me cover the plants also. This is Guru I told earlier on the starting, and
Plant is there.
plant is there. People plant. Here is the plant. Here is the leaf sample. So it has a radiculate venation. Here is the plant. Next
cover
we
this
have
plant
this
wood. Mercury.
Appamarg Scarlet Jeera. So this is the plant. I'm not going this because I think it's cactus. It has some thorn-like
you finished
structures. No, I have to show the plants only now, and I have to show the Ravi also. The Shukra. This is Gular.
Gular, not bit. Huh? It's
Gular,
not-
Gular.
No. In English
Gular.
you are reading it's Gular, but it's Gular. Yeah.
Gular. So Gular. So
And the
this
main
is-
thing, just give me 2 minutes. I want to show you the leaf because I have seen the fruits. Over the leaf. Where is the leaf? Here. Here is the leaf. You can see. You can
Oh.
show. You can capture. See the seeds.
See.
Seeds on the leaf, like this.
So I guess it has like its propagation is basically from the leaves, because in some plants
Probably,
leaves work
yes.
as a reproducing agent, and they give birth. And this is the last
Palash, no?
Palash.
Yeah.
And now let me show you the Ravi.
Ravi is the last plant now.
Yeah.
Chalo.
Basically, its name is not Ravi.
No.
It represents
the
Ravi. So here is the
sun
plant.
planet, no?
Yeah, Ravi is the sun. And this is only the first spot. Here is a bit, if you can see from here. So let me read it.
Ah,
It's basically Aak or Madar. Botanical name is Calotropis procera. Family is
plant is there
Apocynaceae.
only. That was the plant.
Yeah, I
not
know.
these.
I know.
That.
I know.
There.
These are the bushes. Plant is that.
Yeah.
See. That is the
Chalo,
information.
done,
This is.
Chalo,
this
stop the video
represents-
quickly.
No. I will cover it a whole bird century.
No, beta. It's not possible.
Why?
Stop it.
No.
Beta, it will be too long.